Hi guys, this video is about how to center a picture in the preview window in Adobe Premiere Pro. I took this video of my TV on purpose. It's some flowers and it's off center. Let me make it full screen. There's my TV and I want to center it up perfect in Adobe Premiere Pro. And this is only for those people that they have to use their camcorder to record what they're doing on the computer for some reason, and it comes out like this. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So let's go to Adobe Premiere Pro, and we're going to go File, Import, and click on our picture. It's a video. Okay, drag it over into the timeline. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is go to Effects, and in this window here you're going to type in Corner Pin, C-O-R-N. There's Corner Pin. We're going to grab it and drag it over to the video, and now you want to go to Effect Controls, and here's your corner pin. I think these move it outward and these move it down. So now we can start manipulating the video where it needs to be. We'll stretch it. So try to meet that corner. And just keep working with it until you get it where you want it. Okay, let's work on the other side. Okay, that's about good on this side. Now we'll go outward. It's going to be the bottom left, lower left, so it's this one. And we almost got it. Have to go back up to upper left, drag outward. Okay. I think that's about got it, guys. And now, to render it, click on your video where this box is highlighted with the blue line, and go File, Export, Media, or Control-M will do the same thing. And the best setting I found, the best rendering setting, is H.264. And then under here, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom. This is 4K, so I choose the next one up, 1080p. It's already set for me. Use maximum render quality, and then you can rename it by hitting here and choosing where you want it to go. I want it to go to the desktop, so we'll just put a number 2 so I know which one I just did, and hit export. And that's how you line up your videos when it comes out. Personally, screen capture program, Screen-O-Matic, it's free. It lets you record up to 15 minutes, and you don't have to do none of the manipulation. But anyway, it'll render, and you'll find it. I'm in Windows 10, so you go to the desktop, hit this little nodule, and you're on the desktop. And I already did it, so I can show you guys what it looks like. Kind of slow right now. And that's what it looks like when it's finished. It's full screen. For this video, so if you like this video, subscribe, hit that like button. And thanks for watching, guys.